head of how many people does it take to start a fire?
Yes.
Is too hot.
Stay away from the fire. Light it on fire. It's a little creepy for people.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's getting his car washed.
Bruh. It's so cheap. What the fuck?
I want to do that.
My turn.
Bruh, that's so cheap.
Slower, super slow. A little slower, yes. Yes, and then move over.
What if I open my window right now?
No, not a good idea. Look, do you go back again? Like he did? The stuff we'd be doing at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
This is still part of university life. It's similar to this. Yes, you ready?
No! Don't open the window! That was so fun.
Oh, 到访了吗? Very cheap, but don't care.